Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Edustar's online class. You're watching Class 4 Science. Today, we will see Lesson 8, Clothes We Wear. This is Part 3. Here we are going to discuss about some question answers and classwork writing. First one, quiz time. Here we will discuss some different kinds of questions. First one, fill in the blanks with the correct answers. First question is, early humans used to cover their bodies with leaves or clothes. They used to cover their bodies with leaves. We wear a dash to school, night dress or uniform. We wear a uniform to school. Third one, dash clothes do not allow the body heat to escape. Cotton or woolen? The answer is woolen. Dash fibers are not found in nature. Natural or synthetic? The answer is synthetic. Linen is a dash fiber, plant or animal? It is a plant fiber. The next Roman letter is match the following. First one, left side they given ring, cotton clothes, smooth balls, fiber. Right side they given protect woolen clothes, hair like thread, raincoat and summer. First one, rain is matched with raincoat. Second one, cotton clothes we wear in summer. Smooth balls is used to protect woolen clothes. Fibers, it is like a hair like thread. Third one, give two examples of each of the following. People who wear special clothes work. You can name any two. Doctors, postmen. Plant fiber. What are the plant fibers? Cotton and jute. Animal fiber, wool and silk. Synthetic fiber, nylon and polyester. Things used to protect clothes from insects. They are naphthalene balls, dried neem leaves. These are the things to protect the clothes from insects. Okay, next we will write the classwork for lesson 8. Already we have written the classwork up to lesson 6. So there is no question answers in lesson 7. We have only one words only in that lesson. Okay, so we will start the classwork for lesson 8. Take your classwork note and start to write the lesson number and name. Lesson number 8. Clothes we wear. First Roman letter is answer the following questions. First question, why do wear clothes? Like food and shelter, clothes are also a basic need. We need clothes to protect ourselves and our body from heat, cold, dust and insects. Write the question in black pen. Write the answers with the blue pen. Leave one line and start to write the next question. How should woolen clothes be stored? To store your woolen clothing correctly and avoid moth and silverfish. Wash the clothing. Pack the clothing into bags or boxes. Store the clothing in a dry place. Use naphthalene balls and dry neem leaves should put out between the folds of woolen clothes. These are the ways to store the woolen clothes. Third question is, how does a natural fiber differ from synthetic fiber? Natural fiber comes from plant and animals, while synthetic fibers are made from chemical compounds, and each is valid in the textile industry for different reasons. Fourth question is, how can we take care of our clothes? Clothes should be washed well with a good soap or detergent to remove all the sweat, dirt and stains. Woolen and silk clothes need a lot of care. They are easily attacked by small insects like moth and silverfish. We should store silk and woolen clothes with mothballs or dry neem leaves. This will keep the insects away. Woolen coats and trousers should be dry cleaned as it will be spoiled by plain washing. Fifth question is, why do we wear raincoats during the rainy season? During rainy season, we wear waterproof cloth like raincoat over our dress. Raincoats protect us from rain. We wear raincoats made up of waterproof material. These materials are wrinkle-free and dry easily. They do not able to absorb water as they are waterproof, and the water that fall on it slide down. So we are using the raincoats during the rainy season. The next Roman letter is give reasons. First one, we wear cotton and light color clothes in summer. Why? During summer, we wear light colored cotton clothes. Cotton clothes absorb sweat, allow the air to pass freely, and thus let the body heat to escape. Light colored clothes absorb less heat. So, we wear cotton and light colored clothes in summer. Second question is, we wear woolen and dark colored clothes in winter. Why? In winter, we wear thick, dark colored clothes made of wool, fur or leather. They prevent body heat from escaping. Dark colored clothes absorb heat and keep the body warm. Third question is, naphthalene balls should be put in the folds of woolen clothes while storing them. Why? Naphthalene balls or dried neem leaves should be put between the folds of woolen clothes to protect them from moth, silverfish and other pests like rats and cockroaches. Fourth one, cotton clothes are healthier to wear than synthetic clothes. Why? Cotton clothes is healthier to wear as it has tiny spaces which let air pass in and out. So, our skin can breathe and the sweat dries easily. Synthetic fabrics do not have this facility. They are not breathable and they will stick to your body with the sweat on your skin and make you uncomfortable. So, cotton clothes are healthier to wear than the synthetic clothes. Fifth one, clothes should be put in the sun before storing. Why? So, before storing and packing clothes, they should be put out in the sun to rid them of germs. Sixth question, special clothes are worn by some people. Why? Special clothes are worn by some people according to their work. A doctor or nurse wears a white dress. School children wear a uniform. A soldier wears a uniform made from tough material. Certain jobs require uniforms. Police personnel and firefighters wear special uniforms that help identify them with their profession. Their uniforms can also help them do their jobs better. That's it. This is a time for activity. Students, you will collect some old clothes from your home and use the scissor with the help of your parents. Make different types of clothes which is used in different seasons. Here I am giving the sample page for you. So in summer we have used different types of clothes, and in winter and in rainy seasons. In A4 sheet you have to make it like a small clothes and write the name of the cloth which is used in different seasons. If it is possible you can do, otherwise you can use the color papers and make it different types of clothes. Students, this is not compulsory. If you are interested, you can do. Or else, you can draw the clothes and give them with the suitable colors and write with the dresses which is used in different seasons. Okay. If you have old clothes, you can make it like this. If you have color papers, that is your wish. You can make it like this. Otherwise, you can draw the picture and send it. Okay. This is not compulsory. If you are interested, you can do. Thank you, students. Have a good day.